Hello children, welcome to chapter 12, Equations in One Variable. Let us see here some examples. Fill in the boxes to solve the following equations. Here very simple equations are given. Equation with one variable means only one variable is there and other are constant terms. For example, in this example it is given x plus 4 equals to 9, where x is the variable, 4 and 9 are the constant terms. Therefore, here to simplify this, what we do? By subtracting 4 from both the sides. So if I take x plus 4 from this side, minus 4 equals to 9 minus 4. We have to balance the equation on both the sides. Got it clear? If I add anything here, I have to add on the other side also. If I subtract anything here, I have to subtract anything on the other side also. So here, subtracting 4 from both the sides, we get x plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled, equals to 9 minus 4, 5. So here only x will be left. Similarly, x minus 2 equals to 7. Adding 2 to both the sides, because here it is minus. So we have to add this side. So x minus 2 plus 2 will become 0 and equals to 7 plus 2, what you have done, it is becoming 9. Same way, if it is division, we have to multiply. If it is multiplication, we have to divide. Here you see x by 3 equals to 4. So multiply x by 3 into 3. 3 is in denominator here. This is in numerator. It will get cancelled. Equals to 4 into 3. Therefore, x, what is left here is x only, and here 4 3s are 12. Like this, x by 3 into 3. 3 get cancels here. Next, 4x equals to 24, dividing by 4 to both the side as it is multiplied. So dividing by 4 to both the side, 4 will get cancelled here. What is left is x only, and 24 divided by 4 is 6. Very simple examples this were. Now, method how to solve. For example, this is a equation given in one variable only. What is the variable here? X, correct. So all other terms are constant. You have to simplify this. Here term is 2 into bracket x minus 3 and equals to 3 by 5 into bracket x plus 4. But here 5 is in denominator. So what you do? Multiply by 5 to both the side. So 5 into 2, 10, x minus 3. Here 3 by 5 into 5, 5 will get cancelled. What is left? 3 only into x plus 4. Now this 10 is for this bracket and 3 is for this bracket. Simplify the brackets here. 10 into x, 10x. And 10 into minus 3 is minus 30. Equals to 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 4, 12. Again, here it is minus 30, so adding plus 30 to both the side, we will get 10x minus 30 plus 30. This will get cancelled. What is left is 10x, 3x plus 12 plus 30. So 3x plus 42. Now subtracting 3x from both the side. We want all the variable terms on one side and non-variable terms on another side. So 10x minus 3x here, it will become 7x, plus 3x minus 3x, it will become 0, plus 42 as it is, as we are subtracting minus 3x from both the sides. Simplify it. Now 7x equals to 42. So dividing both sides by 7. So 7x upon 7, 7 will get cancelled. What is left is x only. 42 upon 7 will become 6. Easy. Next. 9x minus 4 equals to 6x plus 29. Adding 4 to both the sides, we will get 9x minus 4 plus 4. This will become 9x only. and 9x plus 29 plus 4. So 29 plus 4 will become 33. 6x plus 33 on the other side. Now we have to remove 6x from right hand side. So subtracting 6x from both the sides, 9x minus 6x equals to 3x, and 6x plus 33 minus 6x plus minus will get cancelled. What is left? 33. Dividing both the sides by 3, therefore 3x upon 3